The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
Hey everybody, it's Trader Cobb here. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. That's at Trader Cobb, C-O-B-B for Bravo. Jump on my Facebook as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. And more importantly, go to tradercobb.com to sign up for the courses, the subscription services, and let's get as much content out there to the world as possible. Don't forget to share this if you like it all across your social platform. That would be super. So the next lesson is learning the right words. What do I actually mean by that? Well, I will be honest with you straight up right now. A lot of courses out there are teaching technical analysis. Yeah, okay, I get it. I don't. What? Hang on, Craig. What are you talking about? Trader Cobb, what are you saying here, man? What I'm saying is this. The way I trade, yes, I use technical analysis. But I'll tell you what. Here's an analogy for you. Okay, there's a few of them that are going to come fast and furious at you in this little segment. The first one is this. If there are 1 million ingredients in the pantry, and you know that there are because there's lots of ingredients, okay, we're talking about cooking now. But you've got to make a chocolate cake. You've never seen a chocolate cake before. You've never smelled a chocolate cake before. You've never tasted a chocolate cake before. And you've never been given the recipe for a chocolate cake before. But you've got to make a chocolate cake and you've got 1 million ingredients to make that chocolate cake with. How on earth are you going to create that chocolate cake? Well, the bottom line is you're not. Now, this is what I'm seeing in trading right now, especially in cryptocurrency space. There are so many people out there trying to bake chocolate cakes without even knowing what a chocolate cake looks like. And the problem is you've got all these new cooks, not chefs because they're not qualified, cooks out there trying to tell you how to make this chocolate cake, and they don't know how to make it either. Now, I don't teach you technical analysis because it's just a wide amount of rubbish. What I teach you is the actual strategies that I use day in and day out and have done for the last 11 years to have a successful trading career and run a trading business. So I'll teach you the technical ingredients you need to know and I'll cut the rest out. Another way of looking at it is like a language. Okay, the markets are a language, guys. You are learning a new language. If you just try and scream into a little Spanish bar and scream at them in English that you want to drink and they don't know how to speak English, you're not going to get very far. If you learn the language, if you have a teacher, if you take your time, things are a lot easier for you. So my gripe is this. People that understand trading understand that it's not technical analysis alone that makes you money. It's actually the trading strategy that makes you the money. And it's the perfection of how you implement that trading strategy consistently over a large sample set that makes you money. So there's a lot of people out there that are teaching RSI and MACD and all these crosses and all these indicators that are absolute crap. Because if you don't bring them together in the right order, you're absolutely got no chance. Indicators are not ways to buy and sell, guys. There's a hint there, all right? Been doing this a long time. I'm not going to teach you everything you need to know about technical analysis. You might feel like you get massive value from a program like that because there was so much content in it. Who cares? When you leave that course, you end up confused because you don't know how to use it. They've taught you about 1,000 different things, but they've not taught you how to actually make it work. Why cut the crap? I focus on what you need to know to make it work because technical analysis by itself is worth absolutely nothing. It's the combination of the words to make a sentence. I mean, I'm looking on my desk right now. I mean, let me just make a random statement of words to make my point very clear. Fishing line, sunglasses, GoPro, phone, laptop, wallet, pen. That doesn't mean anything. But guess what I just did? I just put 4 or 5 things together, words, in a row. That didn't communicate anything to anyone. And this is what I'm seeing out there at the moment. You're taking a bit of RSI, a bit of MACD, a bit of this, a bit of that, a bit of this, a bit of that, and throwing it together and just going, I hope that works. And it doesn't. Just the same as I can't communicate with you with one word. Just the same as I can't communicate with you if I just say random things. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the market is a language, and I will teach you how to learn that language because I will teach you trading strategy. It's the combination of words that come together that make something that works. Now, I've been doing this for years and years and years and years in traditional markets and now in cryptocurrency. I know what works for me. Sure, there's other people out there that have structures and strategies that works, but I can tell you right now, if they can't write down in a checklist how they trade, they are subjective. I am objective. You can buy, you can sell. Am I buying, am I selling? Are the buyers winning, are the buyers losing? What am I going to do? It's all about cutting that nonsense out and giving you a structured, straightforward set of rules that will give you an outcome. The words, the individual words by themselves are not what's important. It's the combination of those words that come together that makes sense, and we can then repeat that process, guys. Guys, I want to give you as much as I can for as little as possible. For this to continue to operate and work, I need you to share all across your social networks. Please, the links below, share me out to everybody that you know. If you like this content, I'll continue to create it. Go to tradercobb.com, buy the courses, get on the subscription, do everything that you can to get as much from me as possible. I do have more in the paid content, obviously I do. My trading videos that go out every single day is a watch list, it's a breakdown of absolutely everything that I do. But in the same respect, I'm going to continue to pump out free content and very valuable free content as much as I possibly can. So please support me. It's all I ask is by sharing the content across your socials, guys. Have a fantastic day, and let's keep on knocking this out of the park. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.